Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, quick reminder: the first family of dancehall music, the Palmers, will be live again tonight at 7 on the IG platform. And the Off the Dance and Divas album is available worldwide. Viewers and subscribers, make sure you go grab your copy on a platform where music can be purchased. Now, viewers and subscribers, Audio Mac is reporting that Vybz Kartel's album is the most streamed reggae and dancehall album on the planet currently on their platform. Now, viewers and subscribers, albums at number 2 and number 3 are Coffee, The Rapture, and you know she win a Grammy this year, and that Grammy promotion is definitely doing its work. Now, Buju Banton, viewers and subscribers, is at the number 3 slot, and remember, this was also another highly anticipated album being released on the very same date. No competition. Vybz Kartel has always acknowledged his respects for Buju Banton, the Gargamel, and the Gargamel has done the same. Always expressed his respects for Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Himself, the teacher music stimulating thought process. That's a very big acknowledgement from somebody who you listen to while you were aspiring to be an artist. Now, viewers and subscribers, digital dominance. Recently, hear some people make some talk. Where them there? Me not hear a sound from them. Where are they at? Digital dominance, viewers and subscribers. And this album is definitely a masterpiece. And the fact that even it is being streamed more than even Buju Banton's album, viewers and subscribers. Which, remember, Pharrell, John Legend, not to mention the amount of producers and engineers that work on Buju album. But Vybz Kartel already pointed out more features than an iPhone 20. I will not just talk about artists. We are talking about producers and engineers as well. Some of the tracks even have the producers and engineers' name listed. First, we really have to see that in a dancehall music settings. We don't normally see producers being listed, accredited for their contributions. Vybz Kartel does something significant for dancehall music right now. I don't even feel like most artists even understand or over what is taking place currently in a dancehall music. The establishment are not just artists but also producers, and re-establishing dancehall music as one of the most dominant genres of music worldwide. That's the move. While some other artists are fight for, I don't know, because I can't title them at fight for no more. Them can't decide say what, you know, we want to be kings. That question is out now. With Vybz Kartel dropping 2 albums for the year, that discussion cannot be had by any circle. Nobody can discuss any other kings of the genre currently. We know this. This is fact now. It has been proven. So I'm going to see what is the statement some other artists are going to make other than we have some work a drop. And we have a vlog of powered out soon. You know what I mean? Yeah, we record this previously, but we decided to go into this because, you know what I mean, this is an album update. But Bounty have an album in the works. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is a living inspiration to other dancehall artists, even the same artists that were inspirations to him. That's how we talk about creativity and innovation. That is what we mean when we say inspiration. A figure like Vybz Kartel in the game, viewers and subscribers. First and foremost, an anomaly. We don't see artists of Vybz Kartel's caliber going out of their way to work with artists we are forward up. Even artists that nobody don't know. We see him put him cause on the album then. Slimatic. Nobody don't know her from nowhere. She want to be an artist though. You have a whole heap of other stars who are family members who want to be artists. But because they don't have a name for themselves, these artists will not work with them. Artists have all them data. Want be musician. We have to work with other producers and other artists. And them own father now say, yo, see a feature here. Even sing a chorus, even the intro part, nothing. Forward on the video, maybe one time, but from that time until now, nothing. And them time the individual never want to be an artist. Just a speak about that at the moment in time. And also, we have to point out this, viewers and subscribers, the category that the album is trending in is still considered reggae. Where is the dancehall category? We need it. If even the streaming platforms don't have a category for dancehall music, viewers and subscribers, shows you the situation as it is. Grammy has no dancehall category. It is a reggae category that dancehall artists are eligible for. And we're not talking about enough to stop this up. Make we first and foremost say this. Dancehall music has influenced or been sampled and used to boost and establish the careers of superstars internationally. Rihanna, Nicki, just to name a few. Why isn't our music being appreciated and recognized at what them consider one of the biggest music award ceremonies worldwide? Why? Remember, I think I went 018 or 019, and not 019, I probably 018. Reggae get recognized by the UN. Would you believe? As an indigenous music created by we Jamaicans. So that we can say, alright, reggae was put on the map by Jamaica. And that become fact in art history books, all documentations everywhere. You know what that show me? Dancehall music isn't even acknowledged at the UN. Because there was no mention of dancehall. And as I said, if we ourselves as a people, as stakeholders of the music industry, categorize dancehall music as reggae, then what we are doing to our culture? We can't do that. And if we ourselves don't know the difference between dancehall and reggae, then how do we expect the committee at the Grammys to acknowledge the difference? But when we go into the studio, when producers and engineers send beats or rhythms, as we would have said, to artists from the dancehall genre or the reggae genre, notice the difference in the beat. Even if they matter about the same subject matter, notice the beat. It is different. So if the beat itself is different, wouldn't the genre of music also be different, even if they must speak the same dialect? On the track then, even if a patois talk on both tracks are being sung, as them would I say, to be, you know what I mean, correct with terminology, are being recited because to a DJ thing we are talking about. There's a clear difference, viewers and subscribers. The acknowledgement though is that reggae and dancehall is the same. I am not of that set that agree with that statement. But nonetheless, the album is currently trending #1 on Audiomack in the reggae category, viewers and subscribers. Trending above Buju Banton and Coffee album. You know what I mean? Definitely a good look. You know what I mean? Definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers. Even though the category is different, Vybz Kartel is putting dancehall on the map once again. And the other superstars of the dancehall genre will have international notoriety. Let's just say this. Check them latest song. Check Shaggy latest song. Shaggy latest song some song with Sting. Very reggae orientated. Check Shâme Paul song. Him latest song them, well, I think he have a different song to kind of have a more dancehall vibe, but a more the reggaeton Latin market Shâme Paul music is more geared towards currently. Know what I mean? Think about it. You name another superstar in dancehall genre. Don't worry, I'll wait. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon today, drop a like on the blog for me, like the share icon is also in close proximity. Viewers and subscribers, they can tell a friend, tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them, but check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7, never lack, yet just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, you know the settings. And for those who don't, first and foremost, our move settings for my winner need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love and prosper until reason again.